Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Woo! It's Coward. Woo! Okay, we're in town. Bought some Vimto for you, but you drink that up. Come on, drink it. Ah, yep. You drank it all up. Robitussin. Woo! Car. Bus. Car. Okay. Safe. I didn't get hit. I didn't get run over. There's Calvin. Okay, I went to Calvin. Hey, Calvin. Safe. Okay, so we're gonna go meet some friends. And we just see him in about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Almost slipped on the stairs. They lied. They're not here. Oh, they are here. They are here, so they didn't lie. Ha! I'm vlogging! Woo! Hi, Connor! Hi, Connor! I'm vlogging. Hi, Luke!
Bye!
I'm vlogging. It's so awesome. Hi, Shannon. Hello, Shannon. Hi, Emily. Oh, you hide your face. Hi, Courtney. You also hide your face. You got a headache? So? Oh no, I didn't video the trip. I videoed myself after. See, these guys had a drink of Vimto. They did. She's drinking it again. See, you all thought that was open. Why are you eating chips? Oh, right. Why? It's better to get a pasty. I had a massive pasty earlier. Yeah, I bought a pasty earlier, and I ate it, and I accidentally ate a piece of the wrapper, and then I had to be sick.
I do that sometimes.
And I'm gonna go now, so bye.
Bye.
Shut up.